55 Chevy Bel Air sedan. I went down to West Virginia up in the mountains, bought a trailer full of parts, and started putting it together the last year or so. It's got a 454 big block, 4-speed. Kind of wanted to go old school with it, carbureted, and just yeah. So that's kind of where we're at this point in time.
Interesting to lift. What did you talk about that?
I wanted to. When I was 12 years old, I built my first model, which was a 55 gasser, and so this is my 12-year-old self when I put a car together. So I put a straight axle under the front, and yeah, lifted it up quite a bit, brought the back end up to level it out, and just have fun driving it.
It's a 58 Edsel. They only made them 3 years, 58, 59, and 60. And I have to be fortunate to have this one. It's a California car. And me and the wife and the kids drive it everywhere. We really enjoy it.
So how'd you come across it?
Well, I have a 59 at home, but I always wanted the 58 version. So I looked, and last year I was fortunate enough to find this, and I brought it home to Michigan.
We're gonna go for the first one. There you go.
First one up, Clyde Hoover, 23T.
You're welcome. Enjoy.
John McMillan, 1998 Honda Shadow.
Go, sir. You're welcome. Yep.
Ryan Martin,
Go ahead and
73 Ford LTD.
and then turn for a picture.
Yeah, we made all of our food today, everybody.
Yes, this is your chef today, by the way. Thanks for the food, buddy. You're welcome. Here.
Larry McDonald, hey, I've seen you once.
Go ahead. You can give it to him. Shake his hand.
96 Chevy S10, the green one. Ben Greenville, 1966 Biscayne Chevy. Hera, 31 Ford A. I'm sorry if I mispronounced your last name.
Get the trophy. And shake his hand. Turn and get a picture. There you go.
Down with them, Andrew.
Josh Sneaker. I don't think I'm pronouncing it.
It's
I'm
mine.
sorry. It's a 41 Chevy.
He's messing with me.
There you go. Josh got it. Yeah.
Ha! Finally.
I don't like this.
Got it. One of your
Thank you. I've never seen that.
Got it.
Shake his hand. There you go.
Well, that's the last one of them.
First of all, I want to thank you guys for all coming out today. We have an awesome day in October, which is crazy. Normally, I would say I would throw that trophy back out there, but my mom passed away in June. And if you guys hadn't noticed, my truck out in the corner, I wish she could be here, but I'm keeping that one because that's what I need to do. But anyway, with all that said, thank you all for coming out. We've got the two big trophies to give away, and you can either stay or hit the road at that point and enjoy your ride. And we'll do this again next year. Thanks again.
Hopefully back to September.
Yes, we're going to try and get back to September next year. Just that's how the cards fell this year. But thank you all for making it happen, because obviously with 1 or 2 cars here, we can't do it. I mean, we could, but it'd be pretty boring. So thanks again, everybody.
And one thing for sure, please be safe when you leave today. And thank you, everyone.
Lots of burnouts.
From us, in a way, because I really enjoy doing this show. Not just this one, I enjoy any of them, I do. All right, Higher Standards ended up picking the best truck and the best car that they liked. In a way, we'll get at that. the best car. Paul, I can't pronounce your last name. It's got too many letters, but it's a 55 red and white Chevy 210 Del Rey.
Del Rey. The one over there, yeah.
Right down here on the end.
The big boy, yeah.
There you go, sir.
Thank you.
It's a pleasure.
Thank you very much.
Okay, Roger Florian, where are you?
You disappeared. I couldn't find you.
54 orange
Okay.
pickup.
You gonna help him with that one? Sure. Okay, go for it.
Thank you very much. Thanks, everybody.